Guys, hindi po lahat ng bleeding ay implantation bleeding ha. Minsan, sa kaka-stress mo at sa kaka-overthink mo. So ngayon, let's talk about implantation bleeding. Implantation bleeding is defined as a small amount of light spotting or bleeding. It typically occurs about 10 to 14 days after conception. Conception meaning after na may na-fertilize na egg si sperm at may nabuo na. So explain ko sa inyo, andito yung timeline. So, step 1 is ovulation. Release of a mature egg from the ovary for a possible fertilization. So, usually this happens 14 days before your period. And how long does it last? Usually around 12 to 24 hours lang. So, yan lang talaga yung window nyo na makabuo. Number 2 is fertilization. So, ito, si sperm, nag-meet na sila ni egg. So, during your 12 to 24 hours since ovulation. So, this happens in the fallopian tube. How long? Up to 24 hours. Tapos, doon na po papasok yung implantation. So, attachment of the fertilized egg or yung blastocyst, papunta na dun siya sa may endometrial lining or sa endometrium natin. So, that is 6 to 11 days after your fertilization. Kaya tayo nagbe-bleed kasi it happens in the endometrium. And sometimes there's a little bit of shedding of the endometrial lining. So kung titingnan niyo yung timeline, actually the implantation bleeding may happen during your expected menses. Kaya lang nga, nabuntis ka. So around that time siya dapat. So it's not gonna be implantation bleeding if wala kang contact or kunwari hindi ka pa nag-ovulate, kakaregla mo lang, gano'n. So, for more information, you can watch my video on the fertile window.